Shanghai. I think this is the place where we're gonna choose the green license plate for our car. Let's go inside, take a look. I feel I'm the only foreigner here. Another rainy day. I'm here to pick up my Leapmotor.
Three hours later.
After waiting for several hours, the shop representative asked us to come here together with them. Officers can check the car. I don't really know what they did. They just took a picture and that's it. Good we came on weekday, not that many people. You know, it's a very different experience from buying the car abroad. Last time I bought car abroad, it was in Canada. They give you insurance, which was $1,600 per month. It was so crazily expensive. I remember when I saw the number, I was shocked. And then they ask you what license plate do you want, like free one, or you want to add $20 for the BC parks, British Columbia parks. Which is like with pretty one with a polar bear and stuff. And then, you know, they have a bunch of physical license plate and you choose 1 out of 5 or 10. There is no fancy like computer style or something. In China, you can actually choose the number in the system and the government will make this number for you. In US, you can also choose any combination you want, except like some fancy one like Q or something, you cannot make it. But in Canada, you cannot make a customizable number. I think in China, everything is very automatic.
Why this time is not on the phone?
Because the car is brand new and this B10 is not really even in the system in China yet. So that's why we have to come here to do everything physically and manually. When Leapmotor puts it into the system, people don't have to come here anymore. It's just gonna be done in the phone as well. Now it's time to choose the license plate number. Okay, now we have some license plates. I want something with 7s. I like 7.
The numbers you hate.
I don't like number 6. For us, number 6 is a bad number, you know, so we try to avoid number 6 as much as possible. Yay! We got ourselves the license plate. Sad it doesn't print it out. It would be nice if it's 3D print the license plate directly. Kima? So the guy told us that the license plate will be ready today. When I bought my last car, I had to wait for 2 weeks and they would send it to my home. This time it's so fast, it's like literally 2 hours and he will pick up the license plate for us.
A few moments later.
Seems the car is finally ready. Let's go take a look. Finally, look at it, look at it. Wow, it looks really good, isn't it? Nice. Wow, so much plastic. Take it off. Ah. Yay! Look at this shiny, shiny key. Good feeling. You know, quite interesting. I remember when I picked up my Tesla in China, there was no plastic in it. It was a new car, but they did the inspection and they took everything away. So it's a little bit different experience. Very soon, this baby will go home with me. Just need to wait for license plate for about 30 minutes. Guys, license plate is finally here. It's time to put it on and go home. You see, this is China. So incredible. I don't need to do anything by myself. This stuff will handle everything for me. 谢谢你啊。 It's really different from any other companies. When it came for lunch, they told us that we have to go to canteen and pay for our own lunch. Normally, when you spend a whole day, they would always give you some free food or canteen coupon. But Leapmotor said no, even for employees, they don't have anything like this. As a customer, I felt a little bit offended, but then I thought about it. Everything about Leapmotor is this way, you know? Their Fabuhui, the car launch event, the hotel, the decoration, everything felt just like it was on the budget. That time, actually, I decided to buy this car because I realized that the company which is cutting cost on the unnecessary things will definitely do good in the future. So when I buy this car, I don't have to worry and be afraid that the brand might collapse tomorrow or the day after, because they're always cutting costs on everything what doesn't bring money. You bought the car, get your car. Why do you have to have a free food, right? From business perspective, it is brilliant. Other brands should learn something about this and stop wasting money on useless stuff.
You mean what brand?
No comment.